So, Johan?
Should we go in?
Yes, we're going to ROV this one.
We're going to ROV the heck out of this mine.
So there's lots of levels and climbing in here, but we're not going to do that today.
We've, about a year ago, we had an explore in there and did a little climbing trip, didn't we?
Yes.
But there's some flooded workings, as you say, going down below the adit, below river level. So we're going to be sending the ROV down there and see what goodies await in the depths.
Let's go. Torches on.
Right, lights, camera, action.
Yeah. There he goes.
Very nice dry stone arched portal here. So we're going through the overburden at the moment, and then we shall hit the the bedrock further down here. Very nice. And we're just coming into the bedrock now. There it is. Absolutely lovely the way that it's been constructed. Look at that. Timbers supporting the roof as well. So all of this was constructed about 150 years ago, and it's still standing strong. And in this case it's complete dry stone. There's not an ounce of lime mortar in there. No cement, no lime mortar, nothing. It's just completely dry. Superb.
It's an amazing arch, isn't it?
Gorgeous, isn't it?
It's not as good as the one we've done. We filmed that amazing one in not far from
Oh, the
here.
flood in the water.
Yeah, the one not far away.
Yes, absolutely. The one near my house.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Know the one.
We're going to do that.
Location shall remain undisclosed. Yeah, we got to send the ROV down there, haven't we? There's a flooded winds.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Got our timbers all
Looking.
Rotted away and then
Yeah.
just left the knots.
I was just looking how.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Just the strongest bits have remained. I was just looking at how they built the wall into the bedrock
Yeah.
as the bedrock starts coming up.
And this above, look.
Yeah.
They're cool timber. That's funky, that is. Cup holder in the kitchen.
Anyway,
So the
into solid rock.
yeah, and we go to the studded winds.
Yeah.
How deep is it meant to be going? Do you think?
So it goes down, the first level is a 15 fathom level. So 15 fathoms, 15 times 6. So it's about, well, it's a little bit over, about 100 foot, what is it?
Yeah.
A little bit over 100 foot. That's the first level, but it goes down to a 24 and a 36. So there's 3 levels, 12, 24 and 36 fathoms below us.
We have a 100-metre cable,
Good.
so
So we should get down there.
we'll get down to some of it anyway.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's hope any of none of it's collapsed.
So if I remember, the flooded winds kind of creeps up on you, you're walking along and it's just kind of there.
I noticed we're walking uphill.
Oh yeah, here it is, yeah.
We noticed that.
There we go, one flooded winds. There it is. And that's where we're ROVing, is it?
That's it.
That's the one. So that way, there's a collapse just down there on the load. And the crosscut carries on over there, but this is our goal today. Get the old ROV out. Well, the new ROV. There's another flooded winds over there, isn't there?
I can't remember.
Let's go for a quick gander. Probably goes to the same place anyway. Ah, it's all collapsed. There is one, but it's just filled in on the workings end just over there. Some quite extensive workings going up on this load though. They've followed the load right up. It's not very, it's a bit of a bland looking load, but obviously found something worthwhile in it. It was a lead mine, so presumably they found lead.
Sound on the GoPro?
No. It uses it.
Is it?
Does it? I can't remember.
No. It's trying to match the sound of the GoPro footage and the footage underground, which is too much. You want to just use the GoPro, you'll use the sound of the GoPro as well.
Don't know.
I don't know either.
So we're setting it up now.
We've got to lower it down quite a way.
Yeah, to hit the water. It's about 15 foot to water level.
Probably more than that. So here it goes. This cable can hold 800 pounds. 800 pound breaking strain, so
Hopefully.
hopefully, so it's quite safe.
Hopefully.
We need the 2000
I can see a ladder.
Space. We need the Space Odyssey music to go with
There it is.
it. Right.
So now I'm going to unlock the ROV.
Oh wow, yeah. Right, I'm rolling on the sound.
There it is.
I just burped.
There it goes.
There we go. We're in.
So anyway,
Right.
I haven't driven it since December.
That's alright, yeah, take your time.
So oh look.
Oh, look at the ladder, wow. Ooh, that's pretty.
Right, we're in a bit of a twang.
Oh, look at the ladder, wow. Ooh, that's pretty.
Right, we're in a bit of a twang.
Okay, we can stop the GoPro now.
Yes, I can.
And then, yeah, that can just sit there for now.
So
Wow, look at it.
look at that.
Oh, there's another one here as well. Oh, lovely.
I've got to get used to this.
Yeah, that's alright, yeah, yeah.
Look, there's 3.
Oh, there's another one. Yes. So is this just the end of the stope? Oh no, it goes out there too, bloody hell. Wow.
Let's go that way first.
Okay.
It's a level, is it?
Yes. Yes, no, not sure. I think it's just a stope for now. Yeah, just follow the stopes down.
It goes.
Wow.
Let's have a look down here, shall we?
Yes.
It's dead end, isn't it?
Ah, yeah. Let's look underneath just in case.
Spinning round.
Yeah.
slowly. That's
You can go down there if that's safe. We can go down there. Oh, there's the bottom of the ladder. We've gone round in a loop.
yeah. So we'll come back.
Yeah, we'll go down the ladder. Yeah, it's less tangle then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Up we come. Wang it round. Where's the timber?
There.
So we've just gone around in a loop.
Around in a loop, yeah. So we'll go back to the top of the ladder.
Which is there. Whoop.
Yep, through there. There we are.
Hello.
Hello.
Anyway, let's see what we can
Right.
find. Oh, there's a level on there, look. Is
Oh
that a
yes,
level on?
could be. Let's go have a look.
No.
No,
Oh,
just an alcove.
false floor.
Yeah, nice one.
Are you on the false floor?
No, it's further down. Yeah. Crash.
It's over there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank God for that. Oh, now then.
So follow the ladders then.
So go ahead a bit and then we'll turn
Yeah.
around. Just to see what we've passed.
Yeah, get a
'cause
good
we,
view.
We didn't properly look at it, did we?
No. Oh yeah, there it is.
Yeah,
Whoa, yes.
That's where we came from. There's the false floor.
Hey.
So we are on a false. Oh, the false floor's
It's
down
much
there.
further down, yeah, it's
I
way
can
down
see
in the
now. I got
water.
my bearings wrong. there,
Yeah. So there's 2 little short ladders and then a long one carrying on down
but-
there.
And it keeps going down there.
Oh, there's a fourth one. There's two together there.
Yeah. Oh, we were heading this way, but there's nothing. to
Ah,
head
it's just a
to.
little alcove, isn't it?
Any artifacts?
That's sad. Looks like a piece of ladder or a piece of something. No.
Nothing there.
Nope.
So. Oh,
Oh, what's that red thing? What in the world is that? Someone's dropped that.
yes. That's waders or something, or an
Yeah.
oversuit, or a bag.
I have no idea what that is.
Now, is it going to fit
Down the ladder way.
down the ladder way? Is the question. No, it's not.
It's a tiny ladderway.
It's not going to fit.
No.
Buggery poops.
Let's go back up a bit. What about through over there?
Let's get out here. I get a little bit stuck there.
Yeah, let's get out of there.
Woo. It's been a while since I've been
Yeah.
there. Right, let's try a different route.
Yeah,
shall we?
let's go back up a bit and go down the other side of the ladder. Or was that where we went first?
Yeah, we'll see if we can go down here.
Yeah.
Down this bit.
Down. That's it. And we went under that timber. And then there was a way through. We could see the bottom of the ladder there, couldn't we? So go down behind.
Oh, I'm with you.
Yeah, turn round.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, down there. And
Should we go over the...
then go over both, yeah, because it'll work as a little...
Yes, a guide.
That's it, correct, yeah. And then we'll go down this way. Yeah, through there.
Ah, right.
Yes, so we're below there. We're below the ladder now. Right, okay, now we're rolling. Oh, yeah, straight down there.
Artifacts, please.
Come on now. Let's have another train of wagons. Oh no, it's blocked. Oh no.
It is as well.
Yeah. Check over the other corner.
So, is that a tool or something?
I think it's
There's
just a
another
timber.
ladder, is it?
Yeah, top of another ladder, I think.
Oh.
Ah, that's a shame. Let's go back up a bit, see if there was something else. We can go sideways.
No.
A bit higher. Go back up to where back up the ladder a bit,
Right.
where we came across.
Ooh. Nothing.
Over there, behind the ladder.
Let me get out from the ladder and
Yeah.
then redo it.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what I'll do. Ah, I see what hitting the wall. Nothing there.
And then maybe behind the ladder. So we came from over here.
Mm.
So let's try going that way.
It's just the wall.
Behind the ladder.
Yeah, it's just the wall. See it?
I don't think so.
Go the other side of it. Yeah, it is just the wall.
You sure?
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. See it there? It's just the wall.
Okay.
It's collapsed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a bugger, isn't it?
Yeah. So,
Oh well.
let's get out of this.
Yes.
Let's get out of this mess.
God, it's so easy to get disoriented.
It is. It's very easy to...
Yeah.
So that's all it was, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So
We've been
collapsed.
everywhere, haven't we? That was it. Yeah.
That was it. That's a shame, but
Yeah.
you don't know until you look.
Absolutely.
And we got others to do.
Yeah.
Was that other one any good you went to look at?
No, it's just a collapse. Yeah, there was a little pool, but there was no winds there. It was just a little flooded pool.
Right.
I like these ladders. Those are
Yeah.
quite pretty.
Oh.
Crunch.
What's happened?
There we go.
Went a bit wrong there.
I can see it. Here it comes.
I got stuck, I think.
Wedged behind a timber or
There's a
something.
lot of timbers down there.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Boom.
That's it. That's so cool.
I love it.
Yeah, absolutely. Any other Windsor's we can explore while we're here?
I don't think there's any in here. No, that's the only one here.
So unfortunately, it wasn't much there.
No, but there we go. We've been there. We've tried it. We've found everything there was to see.
Yes.
We'll do that one by the flooded stone arch level next time, because
Yes.
that was a good looking, where the angle bob was.
That's it. We'll do that.
Yeah.
And, thanks again, folks, for watching, and all the best.
Absolutely. Ciao for now.